So you're getting views, but your viewers aren't subscribing. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can change that, how you can turn your viewers into subscribers. Welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tamika, and on this channel, I help you to create a successful YouTube channel. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And also, remember to check out our store in the description, the TV shop. You can get your merch, Humble Hustle, just like this one. Because in 2021, we are leveling up. We are hustling, but no matter what, we're gonna stay humble. So first and foremost, you have to be real. You have to understand that there are people out there that search whatever they're looking for, watch the video, get the answer to their question, and they just leave. Because they're just not into that. They're not into subscribing, and you just have to understand that it's okay. Not everybody that clicks on your video and watch it is gonna subscribe. So you just have to try not to get frustrated when you see you probably publish a video, you have 2,000 views on that video, but from that video, not even one subscriber. It's okay. It's a part of the game. Not everyone is gonna subscribe. If you look at some of the bigger YouTubers, their channel have millions, if not billions of views. And they only have a couple 100,000 subscribers, probably 200,000 subscribers. But that simply means that not everyone that watch their videos subscribe. If you go into your analytics and click on audience, you're gonna see that the percentage of people that watch your videos aren't subscribers. You're gonna be surprised the percentage of people that watch your videos that are actually subscribed. It is surprising, but that's okay. So the first thing that you have to do is change your mindset. Not everyone that watch your video is gonna subscribe, so don't get frustrated. It's a part of the game. The next thing that you wanna do is make sure that when you're creating your videos, you optimize them well. What I mean by that is make sure that the metadata are matching. So your title, your tags, and your description must be saying the same thing. They must be singing the same song, okay? You're not gonna be getting any views if YouTube don't know who to give your videos to. And if your metadata is not correct, then YouTube is not gonna be distributing your videos to nobody. So make sure that you get your metadata correct. Your title, your tags, and your description must be saying the same thing. When you optimize your video's metadata, that's gonna help YouTube to actually give your videos to people who actually want to see it. That is gonna increase your chance of getting subscribers because you're gonna be getting more views. Think about it this way. Let's say YouTube recommend a video to you saying how to do a professional photo shoot at home. You see that video recommended to you, you click on it, you watch it. Yeah, it's an interesting video, but you're not a photographer. You don't have any interest in being a photographer, but it was a cool video. Boom, you watch it, you're gone. As opposed to somebody that has interest in photography, they have the interest in becoming a photographer. They want to take those type of pictures at home. They're gonna subscribe for more videos. That's the difference when YouTube recommend your videos to people that are interested in it as opposed to people that has no interest. That's how you get subscribers. The next thing that you want to do whenever you're starting your videos, whenever you're doing your intro, make sure that you tell your viewers why they should subscribe, what they're subscribing to. So for example, you say, hey, not just say subscribe to my channel. Say, hey, subscribe to my channel for more motherhood vlogs, more motherhood contents, more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, more videos on how to take care of your house plants. You know what I mean? More videos on how to cook, whatever it may be. So tell them why they should subscribe. That's how you're gonna get subscribers. Perfect example, when Annie Dubé is starting her video, she says, subscribe to my channel so I can help you to turn your YouTube channel into a success. right then and there, she's telling you why you should subscribe. Isn't that something that would make you more inclined to subscribe instead of somebody just saying, hey, subscribe to my channel? So that's the point. So don't get me wrong now. I'm not saying that if you don't tell what your channel is about, you're not gonna get subscribers. That's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is that it helps you to grow faster if you do. Say for example, you have 10 people visit your channel, right? And you don't mention it at all, say, hey, subscribe for whatever reason. Say you probably get 2 subscribers from that 10 by chance. But if you tell them, say, hey, subscribe to my channel, this is what I do, this is what I have to offer, chances are from those 10 subscribers, you probably get 5, maybe 7, 8 subscribers, maybe, you know what I mean? But it's good when you constantly remind people when they're visiting, especially when they're visiting for the first time, or even people, because you have people that literally watch your channel. They're called silent watchers. They watch your channel all the time. They never comment, they never like, they just watch it and go. Who knows, one day when they keep on hearing subscribe for whatever reason, then they'll hit the subscribe button. This one I've definitely mentioned before, and it is creating a channel banner, channel heart. And it's not hard to do. I talk about Canva all the time. You can make a channel banner on Canva for free. And again, if you want me to show you how to, I can surely do that. Just leave a comment, just leave me a comment and let me know that you're interested in that. But you can do it on Canva for free, and all you want to do is make sure that you're telling people that are visiting your channel for the first time, that find your channel, what your channel is about. Without them clicking on a video, watching a video, they can look at your channel banner and know what your channel is about, what you have to offer. Then there might be a better chance of them subscribing. And this next one, I'm sure you're tired of hearing, but I have to mention it because, as I talked about before, doing YouTube, having a YouTube channel, there's a formula that you have to follow in order to grow your YouTube channel. You cannot do one thing or do another thing. You cannot break up the formula. You have to follow the formula, right? And the next thing that you have to do is be consistent. I know you've heard it before, but you have to be consistent, right? And when I say consistent, I'm not talking about being frequent, because some people mistake the two. There's a big difference. Being consistent is uploading video on a schedule consistently, week by week by week, while being frequent are people that they're absent for 2 months, but when they come back, they're spitting out videos like spitting out videos, 3, 4, 5 videos for the entire week, and then they disappear again. That's frequency. So people like those, they probably have more videos being uploaded than the person that's consistent. But consistency is different, and consistency is key, not frequency. You see what I mean? So don't confuse the two. When you're not consistent, it's going to be hard for you to get subscribers. Because, for example, myself, if I find a video that I like and I visit that person's channel and I realize, the first thing I'm going to look at is their last upload. And if I see that your last upload is 4 years ago or 6 months ago or 4 months ago, why am I going to subscribe? That tells me that you're not consistent. I'm going to subscribe to you, and it's not like, oh, I'm going to get another video like the one I just watched next week, you know? What's the purpose of me subscribing? So that's the difference, and that's how it affects your channel. So remember, consistency, not frequency. And the last thing that I want to mention is creating a close-knit community. Having subscribers that feels like brothers and sisters. I don't know about y'all, but it hurts my core when I have a big YouTuber or a YouTuber that I look up to, that I like their videos, but when I comment, they don't reply. That's not nice. So to build a community with your subscribers, you can do that by replying to their comments, striking up a conversation in your comments, you know? So you want to build that bond, build that community, so that your subscribers know that you're there. You don't just see them as a number. So with that being said, just keep the connection with your subscribers and build a community, right? If you want to learn more on how to grow your YouTube channel, click on watch this, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, Stay humble, but keep hustling.